Hello. Okay, I'm gonna show you how to put the ink cartridges into the pen. So ink cartridges are in this box and look like this. So of course what you'll do first is open up the pen. It takes a little bit of force to get this open, so don't be afraid to like kind of really tug it. All right, got that done. Then unscrew this. There we go. And when you're done unscrewing it, you'll notice there's something already in here. So this is called the converter. And I think it's called the converter because it converts ink from a bottle up into this reservoir. So if you like really want it to be like 1705 and buy a bottle of ink and have it draw it up into this reservoir and use it in your pen, you can do it with this. But you won't need this for your ink cartridges, so I would just store this in a safe spot. But yeah, so that's what that is, just to let you know. So, got that done. So, next, here's the ink cartridge, and you're gonna put it into this part with the nib that has the nib on it. That's what they call it, the nib. So, in here is a plastic, let's see, as like a plastic needle, and it's going to puncture the plastic membrane that's over the end of this, which of course allows the ink to flow into the nib over here and allows you to write. So you will put this in here and you will give it like a good amount of force. I'm not going to do it right now just so it's not messy or anything, and it gives you one more ink cartridge to use. But yes, from the videos I watch, you push with a good amount of force so it like clicks, and then that means the membrane is punctured and the ink is able to flow. Once you do that, they recommend you wait like a minute or so to allow the ink to flow up into the nib. But yeah, once you're good to go, I think you can like hold it downward to maybe have it flow a little bit quicker, or like flick it if it's not flowing super fast. But yeah, after that, you'll be ready to write with it. I'll screw this back on. And yeah, you'll be ready to write with this. Okay, I love you, bye.